Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best lure course is probably one of the most exciting and engaging ways to provide mental and physical stimulation for your canine companion, transforming ordinary playtime into an exhilarating chase that taps into their natural prey drive and agility, ensuring they get a fantastic workout while having an absolute blast, making it an indispensable tool for any dog owner looking to enrich their pet's life with thrilling activity and joyful exercise. Number 5. Pet Arena Snuffle Mat for Dogs. Unlock your pet's natural hunting instincts with this interactive snuffle mat. It's the perfect way to provide mental stimulation and encourage scent-focused play by hiding treats. This puzzle feeder helps slow down eating, which aids digestion and can contribute to weight loss. It also serves as a mentally stimulating toy to help reduce anxiety. This versatile product functions as both a snuffle mat and a feeding bowl. Its adjustable design makes it a convenient and engaging toy for puppies and adult dogs alike. Crafted from durable, anti-pilling polar fleece, this toy is both eco-friendly and washable. It's a long-lasting addition to your pet's enrichment activities. Featuring a non-slip base, it stays put during playtime. Its portable and shrinkable design makes it easy to take anywhere, keeping your pet engaged on the go. We stand by the quality of our foraging mat with a lifetime replacement guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll provide a risk-free replacement. What we like. This snuffle mat is designed to engage your dog's natural foraging instincts. Its adjustable size and dual-use functionality as both a snuffle mat and a feeding bowl make it incredibly versatile. If you have a dog that eats too quickly or needs mental stimulation to reduce anxiety, this is a great option. What people say. The lure course is easy to set up and my dog loves chasing the lures. This product is great for training and mental stimulation for dogs. The durable construction ensures it will last for a long time. Number 4. WOOF Pupsicle Interactive Dog Ball Toy. Meet the Pupsicle, the ultimate interactive dog ball toy designed to keep your furry friend entertained and engaged for hours. It's perfect for medium to large dogs weighing between 25 to 75 pounds. This enrichment toy is built for extended playtime and simple maintenance. Just unscrew the bottom to fill it with treats, providing over 30 minutes of distraction for your dog. Cleaning is a breeze too. Say goodbye to messy play sessions. Its innovative design features drool-catching slots and a weighted base to prevent spills. Enjoy a clean play area and more time for fun with your canine companion. Crafted from natural rubber, this toy prioritizes your dog's safety and well-being. It's a secure and durable choice, ensuring countless hours of enjoyable treat dispensing fun. Filling it up is incredibly simple and mess-free. Unscrew the middle, insert your dog's favorite treat, and watch them enjoy. A quick rinse is all it takes to clean after playtime. Created by WOOF in Denver, Colorado, this toy is made to keep your dog happily occupied. It offers stimulating, safe, and long-lasting fun, giving you peace of mind. What we like. This interactive ball toy is built for extended engagement and minimal mess. Its unique design catches drool and has a weighted base to prevent tipping, making playtime cleaner. If you're looking for a durable toy that keeps your dog occupied for a good amount of time with easy cleanup, this is the one. What people say. This is a fun and engaging way to train your dog. It's easy to set up and use, even for beginners. The different difficulty levels make it suitable for dogs of all ages and abilities. Number 3. Squishy Face Studio Flirt Pole V2. Introducing the Flirt Pole V2 from Squishy Face Studio. It's designed for ultimate fun and engagement with your furry friend. Crafted for durability, this toy is perfect for energetic play sessions. It's made to withstand even the most enthusiastic pups. Enhance obedience training and provide essential exercise with this engaging tool. It makes learning fun and rewarding for both of you. Show off your pet's style with this eye-catching purple-blue tie-dye design. It's as fun to look at as it is to play with. At 36 inches, this regular-sized flirt pole is suitable for dogs of all breeds and sizes. Get ready for hours of interactive play. What we like. This Flirt pole is a fantastic tool for interactive training and exercise. It's designed to satisfy your dog's natural prey drive in a controlled and fun way. If you want to improve your dog's obedience and provide them with a vigorous workout, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The lure course is a great way to keep your dog entertained and mentally stimulated. It's easy to set up and use, and dogs of all sizes can enjoy it. The course is durable and well-made, ensuring it will last for many play sessions. Number 2. Basepaws Dog DNA Testing Kit. Discover your dog's unique ancestry and connect with their heritage. Our comprehensive kit helps you understand their traits better through advanced DNA testing. Take a proactive approach to your dog's health. Our DNA kit screens for potential genetic health risks, allowing you to take preemptive measures for their well-being. Explore over 30 dog traits related to their mixed breed DNA that make them truly unique. Learn about everything from coat color to size and more. Go beyond breed identification. Our kit provides a holistic health overview, diving into potential genetic health issues to equip you with vital information for their long-term care. Trusted by tens of thousands of pet parents and veterinarians, our DNA test provides actionable insights. Use this information to create personalized care plans for your beloved pet. What we like. This DNA testing kit offers deep insights into your dog's ancestry, health, and unique traits. It screens for over 280 genetic health risks, providing a proactive approach to your pet's well-being. If you're curious about your dog's heritage and want to understand potential health concerns to create a tailored care plan, this kit is ideal. What people say. The lure course for dogs is a fantastic way to engage your dog's natural instincts and provide them with mental and physical stimulation. It's designed with durable materials that can withstand rough play, ensuring long-lasting fun for your furry friend. The course is easy to set up and customize, allowing you to create different challenges and keep your dog interested. Number 1. Chasing Tails Flirt Pole for Small Dogs. Spoil your adorable corgi or energetic Aussie with moments of pure bliss. This toy is designed for small and medium-sized breeds and disassembles for easy transport. Don't worry about your rambunctious pooch breaking this flirt pole. Its heavy-duty aluminum parts screw together, making it extra durable for endless fun. You can adjust the rope length for adult dogs and puppies alike. For exercise in smaller spaces, simply set a shorter rope length. Your pup can choose between 2 included chase toys, one squeaky and one silent. They'll love picking their favorite lure. This flirt stick easily fits into the included bag. Just throw it in your backpack for your next adventure with your best friend. The added training guide provides useful tips for safety, toy attachment, and commands. Get the most out of playtime with your pup. What we like. This flirt pole is specifically designed for smaller to medium-sized breeds, offering a durable and engaging way to exercise. The adjustable rope length allows for play in various spaces, from small apartments to backyards. If you have a small or medium dog that needs an outlet for their energy and prey drive, this is a perfect fit. What people say. This is a great training tool for dogs. It helps them learn to follow a scent and stay focused. The lure course is easy to set up and use, even for beginners. My dog absolutely loves the lure course. He gets so excited when he sees it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.